Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make a pleated skirt. If you follow me on Instagram, you will see my latest post where I created a casual winter dress that I could wear with layers underneath as well as layers on top. I created this top using the halter neck top pattern, which can be found in one of my previous tutorials. I just added sleeves to that same pattern. The skirt I then attached using pleats, which you will see in this tutorial. The waistband should be cut into a rectangle. The width of your rectangle would be the measurement of your waist, adding 1 inch, and the length would be 5 inches. The skirt length should be how long you want it to be, plus 1 inch, and the width should be twice the length of your waist. If you have more fabric, you can make it wider, as we will be trimming the excess fabric in the end. I am making the skirt for my cousin, so if I have enough fabric, I will make a crop top to go with it, and you will be able to see these pictures on my Instagram. The link is in the description box below. So let's begin. Now that it is attached to the waistband, I'm going to turn it around with the wrong sides facing upwards and basically fold in 1/2 inch or a centimeter on the top, and then I'm going to fold down and pin all the way along here. And once I'm done with that, I am going to sew it with my sewing machine. To fold my skirt with the right sides facing each other, and I'm going to have the wrong sides facing me. Okay, you'll also need a zipper for this project, so I have a 25 centimeter zipper. 25 centimeters is 10 inches, but I'm not sure if I'm going to use that amount. So basically, you're going to measure how much of the zipper you want, and then using your pins, you're just going to mark where your zipper is going to stop. So I'm just going to take a pin and I'm going to add it here. So with the remainder, you're going to take it to your sewing machine, and with the 1 inch or whatever seam allowance you're using, you're just going to sew along the edge and stop at that pin. So now I have this little opening left, and I'm just going to take out this zipper part. So there's a little excess here on my waistband, so I'm just going to get rid of this. So now what you do is you're basically going to fold this part in, and you're going to take your zipper and you're going to pin it in here. So I pinned in the one side of the zipper, and now I've opened it, and I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to fold this in and I'm going to pin it to this end of the zipper, and then I'm ready to sew all along this opening. Once you're done putting in your zip, you can either attach a hook and eye closure or a button, or if you think it's good enough, you can just leave it with the zip alone. And then it's time to hem your skirt. You can do a double fold,